a year ago when the state of Minnesota set up a program to help teach refugee physicians to become doctors, to give them the clinical experience they needed to successfully apply to residency. I was asked to be one of the instructors in the hospital, and it's the kind of thing I like, so I thought, heck yeah, I'd volunteer to be the instructor. The only problem is I don't have a hospital of my own. So I talked with Bob Moravec and I talked with John Kwasniewska and asked them, if they'd be interested in hosting our program. And I knew full well that they didn't have any financial gain from this, and actually it would cost them something. And I knew that there was, obviously some risk of having more learners in the hospital. I knew there's a lot of work that they'd have to do to make it happen. But they, without blinking, said, yeah, let's do it. They loved the idea. And we were able to train 3 doctors last year, all of whom got into residency in family medicine. They're all representing underserved populations that have a critical need for primary care doctors. All 3 of them are going to go back there and treat those communities. And Health East isn't going to make $1 million off of them, but it's the right thing to do. And if I have my way, hopefully we'll hire a couple of them when they get done with their training. So that was a real point of pride for me, that my organization had the same kind of values that I did, looked at the community in the same way, and was willing to step up and make this opportunity possible. The proudest thing for me, I think, is just that I'm in an environment where I feel like I can do my very best as a doctor. And by that I mean I can take really good care of patients. I feel like every day that I go to work, everybody on the team is as excited as I am about doing a good job. And that's a hard thing to find in an organization. Everybody has bad days and good days. When you show up at work and the nurse is excited and the pharmacist is excited and everybody else is pulling to do their best, it makes it a lot harder to have a bad day.